Queen Elizabeth II, the longest reigning monarch in British history, has left an indelible mark on her nation and the world. Born on April 21, 1926, Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor grew up during a time of significant change and upheaval. Her father, King George VI, ascended to the throne unexpectedly after the abdication of his brother King Edward VIII, thrusting the young Elizabeth into the role of heir presumptive. Elizabeth's early life was shaped by the experiences of World War II, where she served in the Auxiliary Territorial Service, learning to drive and maintain vehicles. This period instilled in her a sense of duty and resilience that would define her reign. On November 20, 1947, Elizabeth married Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh. Their partnership spanned over 7 decades and was marked by mutual support and dedication to public service. Elizabeth became queen on February 6, 1952, following the death of her father. Her coronation on June 2, 1953, was the first to be televised, bringing the grandeur of the ceremony into homes worldwide. Throughout her reign, Queen Elizabeth II witnessed and navigated through immense global changes. The decline of the British Empire, the Cold War, the advent of the digital age, and numerous political transitions all marked her time on the throne. She skillfully balanced tradition and modernization, ensuring the monarchy remained relevant in contemporary society. One of her notable contributions was her role in the Commonwealth, an organization of 54 independent countries. She fostered unity and cooperation among diverse nations, emphasizing shared values and mutual respect. Her visits and engagements across the Commonwealth helped strengthen ties and promote development. Queen Elizabeth II's leadership was characterized by a steadfast commitment to her people.